How to delete multiple Instagram posts at once. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. The good news is this works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Your Activity. Now scroll down until you find the section called Content You Shared. Tap on Posts. Instagram will now show you all the posts you've uploaded on your account. At the top right corner, tap Select. Now you can start selecting multiple posts at the same time instead of deleting them one by one from your profile. This is much faster, especially if you have hundreds of posts. One important thing to know is that Instagram does not currently have a Delete All button, but you can select up to 100 posts at once, which makes the process way easier and more manageable. Once you've selected the post you want to remove, tap Delete, then confirm your choice. And just like that, your Instagram profile will start clearing up almost instantly. Hopefully this tutorial helped you clean up your Instagram profile much faster. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.